Mga kapuso, alam niyo ba yung mixed martial arts? Yan daw ang fastest growing sport sa mundo at magkakaroon ng malaking event sa mixed martial arts dito sa Pilipinas sa Araneta Center sa Biyernes. At kasama ko ngayon si Victor Cui, yung organizer ng event na to. One Fighting Championship is a big mixed martial arts event. What's mixed martial arts for the benefit of our viewers?
Well, thank you for having us. Mixed martial arts is the world's fastest growing sport by far. It is growing faster than basketball, tennis, football, you name it. And it is the combination of all the exciting things in the world, of the best athletes coming together. I mean, since the dawn of time, people have wanted to see Roman gladiators. You want to see two human athletes that are the best of what they do compete against each other.
So we're going to have an international event on Friday. It's one night. You're going to have mixed martial arts competitors from all over Asia?
All around the world. That's
all around the world.
Yeah, this August 31st, ONE FC is Asia's largest mixed martial art event. We've been selling out coliseums all around the world. You know, I was very excited to bring ONE FC here because I'm Filipino and proudly so. And we've brought the best, the most exciting stacked card that we've ever put together and save the best for the Philippines.
Okay, when you say mixed martial arts, what are these martial arts that they're mixing?
You know, that's a really good question. And the thing is, mixed martial arts is a combination of every single martial arts. This sport is over 20 years old. And the biggest analogy, the easiest analogy I could give you is like in triathlons, when triathlons started, the runner and the swimmer and the cyclist, they all said, I'm the best athlete in the world. Well, the same thing in martial arts. They said, who is the best athlete in the world? And initially it started off with judo versus kung fu versus sumo versus taekwondo. But over time it has evolved and they realized that a mixed martial artist has to be an expert in multiple sports. You know, not just a wushu champion, not just a taekwondo champion, but they have to have a strong boxing stand-up skill set. They have to have strong on-the-ground skill set and really be an all-around athlete.
Okay, speaking of which, we have these two gentlemen here who are going to be competing in the ONE Fighting Championship on Friday in the Araneta Center. Can you introduce them to our viewers?
Okay, I mean, these two guys, I don't want to be in their shoes because they've got the pride of a nation on their shoulders. A lot of pressure on them. Edward Falayang has proudly represented the Philippines in multiple international competitions.
So see, this is Edward Falayang.
Here.
He's a welterweight. Filipino ito, no?
That's right.
Taga Baguio.
Baguio.
And
this is Kevin Bulingon.
From Ifugao, Filipino ren.
Yeah.
And he's a flyweight. So there are weight divisions as well in this sport.
That's right. They're both URCC champions and the best in the country. And they've pretty well beat up everybody in Asia. Now we had to bring in fighters from overseas for them.
Okay. So basically, what is he demonstrating now? He's using his feet. So that's parang Thai boxing yan, ano?
That's right.
At the same time, he's wearing gloves so that he can also box.
That's right.
And at the same time, can he also apply wrestling moves and bring his opponent down?
Yeah, wrestling, takedown, and stand up. Edward Falayang, a lot of people call him the Manny Pacquiao of MMA. He is aggressive. He's powerful.
Edward, he's at that level.
He's in line for a world championship.
Okay. So can he demonstrate some other martial arts moves? Ano pang kaya niyong gawin para ipakita sa ating mga viewers yung mga pwede niyong gawin sa loob ng tinatawag yung cage, no? Yung ring. Kumbaga sa boxing yung ring, no? Pero sa inyo, sa sport niyo, ang tawag niyo doon ay
ground fighting.
Ground fighting. So, may boxing. Nakita mo kanina yung kicking, boxing. Ngayon, ano pa pwede yung moves na pwedeng gawin sa opponent?
Kaysa may mga takedown.
Ganon. Okay.
Boss.
Tapos,
dito, pwede akong gumawa ng submission dito.
Submission. Ibig sabihin, kailangan.
Pwede mo siyang ilak.
Tapos, sino magdedesisyon kung nanalo ka na? Yung referee.
Pag nag-execute ako ng submission tapos magtatapik siya kung hindi niya kaya.
Ibig sabihin, sobra ng masakit.
That's right.
Pwede mo siyang balian.
Pwede kung hindi siya magtatap.
Kung di siya magtatap sa'yo, babalian mo siya.
Yeah. But generally the fighters all
pero
tap.
May referee.
Okay.
Kung nakita ng referee na hindi niya nakaya talaga, siya ang mag-i-stop.
So, halimbawa, yung opponent mo, tinitiis na lang yung sakit. Yung referee na lang yung mag-i-intervene para tigilin yung laban.
Tatanungin niya siya kung kaya niya pa o hindi. Kung hindi niya kaya.
Okay, yung kalaban mo naman, pag nakaganyan, ano naman ang pwede mong gawin, Kevin? Anong pwede mong counter moves dyan?
Mag-i-escape ako.
Paano ka mag-escape dyan?
Tatanggalin ko yung kamay na nakalag dito.
Dyan.
Tapos,
pwede mo siyang suntukin?
pwede dito. Pero-
Pwede mong ganunin sa ulo.
Pwede, sir. Pwede po.
O ganon. Okay.
Then, push.
Pwedeng ganon.
Escape po. Para hindi
escape.
na ako makontrol.
Okay, pag ginawa mo yan, anong martial art naman yung ginamit mo?
Yun naman yung escaping sa ground.
Okay. Sa parang wrestling na yan, no? Wrestling.
Parang
So,
wrestling na may takedown.
okay, so yung takedown mo, parang judo yon. Judo move yun.
throw, so.
Okay, sige. Ano pang mga pwede niyong... Ikaw naman, Kevin, paano mo naman, ano ang pwedeng strategy mo rito sa kalaban mo?
Armbar. Tapos pag nakapatong ako dito, sir, pwede kong suntukin.
Pwede mo siyang kunyari, kahit sa liig, pwede.
Pwede. Hindi pwede dito, sir.
Hindi pwede.
Sa mukha.
Okay. Hindi naman to unlimited o kahit ano pwede, no? May mga rules
may
din
rules
ito.
naman
So,
po, sir.
ano yung mga bawal gawin sa sport na to?
Bawal tusukin yung mata.
Bawal tusukin ng mata.
Bawal suntukin yung dito.
Oo.
Tapos sa likod ng ulo. Tapos sa groin.
Oo.
Bawal
Oo.
tirahin.
Oh. Kasi
Siyempre.
pwedeng mamatay yung kalaban mo.
Yes, sir.
Pag sinuntok mo rito sa leeg, no?
Yes, sir.
Pwedeng ganun. Okay.
But actually, MMA has a much safer record and history track record than even boxing.
Okay.
And the reason for that is that, as they were demonstrating, there are multiple ways for the fighter to surrender or end the fight. And most fights end with the fighter tapping out, where they are in a position where they're submitted, and when they tap out, they both get up and they're injury free.
Okay. So, sige, pwede na kayong bumangon. Anong gusto mong gawin?
Yeah, let's get up.
Dito, pwede kong
magdidepensa.
i-armbar.
Oh.
Magdidepensa siya, pero pwede kong siyang...
Paano ka naman magdedepensa dyan, Edward?
Iiwasan ko yung suntok niya, kaya yayakap ako dito.
Yaya. Tapos pwede kang suntukin sa ulo.
Pwede.
Pwedeng ganunin.
Bawal sa likod, sir.
Bawal sa likod ng ulo. I see. Okay. Pag sinuntok mo siya sa likod ng ulo at makita ng referee, disqualified ka na o
warning.
may bawas lang na puntos?
Yeah, warning, sir.
Warning.
Pangatlo ata, wala na, disqualify na, sir.
Pag pangatlo na. Okay. Nagiging duguan ba tong madugo ba tong labanan na to? I mean, pwedeng sa sport na to, madalas bang magkaroon ka ng sugat?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
Kung matatapos nila yung 3 rounds na suntukan, may...
So 3 rounds ito. So 3 rounds, either kailangan mag-tap siya o may desisyon. So may mga judges din ito.
there.
May mga judges. Okay. Okay, so how many competitors on Friday aside from these two gentlemen?
Yeah, well, we got 10 exciting fights. It's 20 fighters. It's this Friday, 8:30.
Ano mga nationality o lahi nila?
We have everybody from Brazil to Korea to the States to Australia, from all around the world. So at the top of the card is Edward Folayang. His opponent is a European champion, a guy called Felipe Enomoto.
What country?
He is from Japan, representing Japan,
Oh, okay.
and actually trains out of Europe.
Okay. And ang kalaban naman ni Kevin?
He is facing one of Korean's top fighters, Suchol Kim.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, good luck, gentlemen, sa inyong laban sa Biyernes, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Ingat lagi.